Neuro Event Labs has partnered with your healthcare provider to diagnose your epilepsy with Nelli. This short video will guide you through Nelli's self-installation, step by step. Nelli setup and packaging instructions. Unpack Nelli close to the recording place and in a spacious and decluttered area. Place the case on the floor with red markings facing downwards. Reserve space for the lid to open 90 degrees. You'll find a plastic pocket inside the case with a consent form, setting up and packaging instructions, quick start guide and shipping bill for the return. Sign the consent form. Take a picture of the signed consent form and send it by SMS or email to Nelli Patient Support. SMS +358 50 522 3080. Email service@neuroeventlabs.com. Store all documents in the plastic pocket until you return Nelli. Place the bottom plate as close to the recording place as possible. Inspect the equipment delivered to you. Take the equipment out of the case and carefully place them on the floor. Included in the package: bottom plate, stand pole, camera unit, recording unit, power supply unit, cable clamps, remote control, extension cord. Store the case somewhere safe, for example in a closet or under the bed, together with a plastic pocket until the end of examination period. Setting up Nelli. Fasten the stand pole to the bottom plate. Turn clockwise to tighten until you get resistance. Ensure the stand pole is tightly secured. For nighttime recording, extend the inner pole until the yellow tape is visible. Tighten and make sure that the marker tapes on the joints line up. Secure the loose cord with cable clamps and ensure that the clamps are fastened to prevent injury. Use the extension cord to connect Nelli to an electrical outlet. At the end of the assembly, Nelli Patient Support will help you with the final positioning and test recording. Please reserve a minimum 20 minutes for the call. +358 50 522 3080. Turn on the recording unit using the remote. The LED light on the recording unit indicates the following. A green light that goes on and off at a slow pace indicates that Nelli is recording. Nelli is not recording when the green light is off. A white light indicates that an error has occurred. Please contact Nelli Patient Support. After the call with Nelli Patient Support, the setup is now completed and Nelli can be used. Nelli Patient Support is reachable during office hours. SMS +358 50 522 3080. Email service@neuroeventlabs.com. Thanks to Nelli, your clinician can evaluate the seizures recorded by the system and provide your doctor with objective information to make the best treatment decisions for you. Feel free to contact Nelli Patient Support if needed. We are happy to walk through the assembly process with you. For more information about Nelli or our services, please do not hesitate to contact us or visit our website.